Namaste and warm greetings everyone. I am Rotaractor Apeksha, the creative lead of Rotaract Club of Pokhara GMC, bringing you the highlights of the month of September. First things first, on the behalf of our Rotaract Club family, I would like to congratulate our president, Rotaractor Pravin Gautam, for officially being the president of our club. We wish him and the board of directors of Rotaract 2020-2021 a very successful tenure. Also, a huge congratulations to our immediate past president, Rotaractor Dr. Roshan Shah, and the board of directors of the Rotire 1920 for a wonderful and a successful tenure. Moving on, we all know that the lockdown has been lifted with a few restrictions. With that, the spread of the virus and death of the people has been rising day by day. At this crucial time when there is much more interaction among the people, using this platform, I urge everyone to protect themselves and others as well by implementing certain rules in their life, such as wearing a mask, keeping a distance, sanitizing, etc., which I believe are very simple tasks one could easily implement. That being said, without further delay, let's have a look at each project our Rotaractors carried out in the month of September.
Club Service Evening. On 7th of September, we organized online Ludo competition under the project Dear Water, We Love You, We Need You. The amount collected were used to buy maps to the janitorial staff of Kennedy Medical College Teaching Hospital and Research Center. The winner of the competition was Mr. Anand Karta, whereas the runner-up was Ms. Leela Kumari Guru. On 12th of September, we successfully conducted 5th installation in presidential handover ceremony, along with unveiling of our annual magazine IGN, with presence of Chief Guest Professor Dr. Ravindra Prasad Shrestha, Guest of Honor DRCC Diawat Kirarat, President of Parent, President Twin Club, along with other dignitaries. On 18th of September, we organized a track musical night where we had two special guests, Ms. Muskan Narandhat and Mr. Prakash Nepal. We had 32 performers and 270 audiences with our two fabulous hosts, Rotaractor Ms. Shrestha and Rotaractor Karan Manju. We were live to our YouTube channel of Tenderfile and from our official Facebook page. On 26 September, our President Rotaractor Pravin Gautam and Secretary Rotaractor Yogesh Sasraj participated in first PS meet of Rota Year 2021 organized by Rotaract District 3292 hosted by Rotaract Club of Darangora.
Community Service Avenue. Dear Warriors, We Love You, We Need You is a project initiated by Rotaract Club of Pokhara, Gandaki Medical College in collaboration with Rotary Club of Pokhara and Rotaract Club of Pokhara as a part of literal support to our frontline COVID-19 warriors and an extra bit of motivation for our healthcare workers. The project is divided into various phases. On 6 September, we completed the first phase, that is distribution of face shield to interns and residents currently working in Gandaki Medical College. The program is coordinated by Vice President Rotaractor Anupa Wagle. On 10 September, we completed the Phase 2 and Phase 3 of the project. On the Phase 2, we distributed 350 KN95 and 350 surgical masks among nurses, sanitation staffs and workers, security personnel, interns and residents. Similarly, on the third phase, we pasted posters with messages of social distancing in reception, pharmacy, wards and OPDs of GMC. Fund was raised through online Ludo competition. Thank you to all our donors and club members who helped in the coordination of this project. Mental Health Awareness Program. On the occasion of World Suicide Prevention Day, Rotaract Club of Pokhara GMC conducted the fourth episode of our webinar series on various topics related to mental health. We discussed about psychological first aid with our speaker Professor Dr. Sudarshan Narsingh Pradhan. Over 100 participants joined the session through Zoom and Facebook Live. The program was moderated by Rotaractor Avishri Pyakurel and Rotaractor Rosie Basnet. It was indeed a fruitful session and we learned about the various aspects of psychological first aid and most importantly, we learned to be more empathetic. The Pain Money. It is a project initiated by Rotaract Club of Pokhara, GMC, where club decided to use the money allocated for the club pins to do purposeful and needy projects for the community instead this year. On the Phase A, As money saved needs to be used in the area of need, we decided to support project initiated by Rotaract Club of Patan for helping the Sindhupalchok landslides victims and provided 5,000 from the budget allocated to the project the pain money. On the phase B, 25 face shield has been handed over to Emergency Department of Gandhagi Medical College. Professional Development Avenue. Aajko Sabda. This project was initiated from July 1st, that is the starting of this tenure. Every day a new Nepali word is published in our official Facebook and Instagram page. Aspire to inspire. To be inspired is great and to inspire others is incredible. Keeping this thing in mind, we continued our project Aspire to Inspire. This project provides Rotaractor with a platform where they can keep forward their words to inspire others through thrice a week posts in our Facebook and Instagram page. Research in Medical School. It was a webinar conducted to learn and understand the concept of research, specially targeted to undergraduate medical students and novice researchers. Since research is a very vast topic, the webinar was conducted in two different sessions. The first session was entitled Research Basis, which was conducted at 4 p.m. 5th of September, where we learned the basic concept of research, including research objectives, types, study design, sampling, etc. The speaker of the session was Professor Dr. Iswari Sharma Paudel, HOD of Department of Community Medicine, Gandhagi Medical College. The second session was entitled Research Gateway, which was conducted at 7 p.m. 5th of September, where we learned procedure for research, funding, publication, etc. The speaker of the session was Dr. Nuwa Datta Subedi, HOD of Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Gandhagi Medical College. The program was moderated by Rotaractor Asmita Verma and Rotaractor Namuna Ghimire.
Finance Committee. These are the subcommittee members of Finance Avenue for this Rota year. Above listed are the objectives and goals that Finance Committee has set to achieve for this Rota year. District dues Rs 26,300 for the Rota year 2021 has been cleared. We are thankful to all the members who cleared their dues on time. Now let's have a look at Rotaractor Kusum's artworks and listen to what she has to say about it.
If you could say it in words, then there would be no reason to paint. For me, painting is not just scribbling around on a piece of paper. To me, it's a portal to convert my imaginations and ideas into tangible forms. Drawing always reminds me that I am in control of my life, my thoughts, and my feelings. Whenever I complete any creation, I just look back and gaze at it for a while, and the colors I put into it fill me with a different kind of joy. Though I am not perfect at it, it always fills me with a sense of accomplishment for being able to make something and to see something come to life by my own hands.
Lastly, we, the entire Rotaract Club of Pokhara Gandhagi Medical College family, would like to congratulate Rotaractor Vivek Gautam for securing second position on I Am Listening video making competition held by Rotaract Club of Biratnagar Fusion.
All for the month of September. The festive seasons are here. Do celebrate it without contributing to the spread of the virus. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And also do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe everyone. Signing off.